What are you girls doing? You playing with blocks? Lila's writing. Lila, what are you writing or drawing? What is it? Oh, what is it? Show me. Let me see. It's a picture. Very nice picture, yes. Oh, can I see that? Yes, I do. I know you do. You trying to see me? What's wrong, Quinny? What's wrong? Can you sing ABC? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing